Hi there, Carl Massy here, coach, author of a bunch of books, NLP Master Practitioner, and coming to you from beautiful Bali. I'm super excited because just a couple of months ago, I went down and did a workshop down in Australia on one of my favourite subjects, and I said that I was going to do the same presentation online and allow people from all over the world to actually participate in this, what I believe to be the most valuable thing that I've learnt over the last 26 years of diving around in this space. It is the idea of what's going on inside here. What are the beliefs and stories that we're telling ourselves? Because what it comes down to is what we believe we perceive. And so a lot of what's in here determines what experience we have out there, whether it's wins or losses or failures or pain or stress or joy or excitement. So much of the results we get is based on what's going on inside our mind. So the stories we tell ourselves. I've been coaching for 18 years now, and it's the key thing when I'm working with a new client. I'm trying to understand what is the dialogue, the internal dialogue, that thing playing on loop recording that's either taking them forwards or holding them back or pushing them to the sides. So it really is important to have a look at that in a landscape. And it's not something that's done at schools. It's not done in parenting. It's something that most parents wouldn't know to a level where they could actually teach it to their children. So this, I think, is one of the most important things we can learn. So that's why I say I'm super excited about the opportunity to deliver this to you online. And what I'm going to do is a bit of a hybrid. So it'll be some presentations, some live presentations. I'll obviously record those. And then there'll be some online teaching things that you'll go through where I go in depth about how we create beliefs, how they're formed, what particular ages, like how do we discern, like how do we decide what becomes a belief and what becomes just something that disappears into the ether. So plenty of stuff down below are all the details. And also down below, I've got some classic examples of where someone's had a core limiting belief and how much of an impact it's had on their life in a negative sense. And once we flip it around, how it removes obstacles, real or imagined. So one of the things we're going to culminate with over the course of I've set it up over 3 weeks, principally over 1 week, and then I'll follow up 2 weeks after that 1 week. And what we're going to lead to at the end of that first week is doing a belief switch technique, which is an NLP technique, which is starting to remove a core limiting belief and put in an empowered belief to take us forward. So there's going to be a bunch of resources that you're going to have access to within the program. And I'm doing this crazy thing this time. I've decided, because I've got this new feature on the platform that I'm doing that says you can choose your price. So I'm going to let you choose your price. I've got set as a minimum $5. So I normally charge $97 US for it. So the minimum you pay is $5, and you can choose where in the range of 5 to 97 that you want to sit. Wherever you choose is totally fine with me. I just think this is a subject that more people need to know this thing. So I just wanted to go as far and wide as absolutely possible. Okay, I'll stop rabbiting on now. Like I said, all the details are down below. There's some videos there that you can sign up to, and they'll come over the next few days, which will give you a better sense about what we're working with here and why this stuff is so freaking important. So I look forward to serving you in the not too distant future. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and please share this thing with other people. Let people know to join this thing. Like I said, it's like $5 if that's all you can afford to dish out, and a full money-back guarantee on your $5 if you don't feel like you've got your value from it. So do share it, do push it out. Let's have as many people join this as possible. So there you go. I look forward to seeing you, serving you in February 2026. Until then, have an absolutely fantastic day. Have a wonderful Christmas, New Year, and we'll see you soon. Take care.